Chillipop.
Learn nouns in easy way. Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Types of noun. Common noun. A common noun is a general name. It does not name any special person or place. For example, girl, school, city. Proper noun. A proper noun is a special name. It names one particular person, place, day or thing. For example, India, Delhi. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Collective noun. A collective noun is a word that names a group of people, animals or things. For example, a class of students. Abstract noun. An abstract noun names feelings, ideas or qualities. For example, love, happiness, fear. You cannot see love, but you can feel it. Material noun. A material noun names the material or substance from which things are made. For example, gold, wood, iron. Before starting, please subscribe our channel Chillipop for more quizzes. Which word is a noun? Dog, run, happy. Dog. Which word names a place? School, jump, blue. School. Which word names a thing? Fast, sing, ball. Ball. Which word is a collective noun? Run, team, tall. Team. Which word is a material noun? Gold, city, boy. Gold. Which word is a common noun? Run, girl, India. Girl. Which word is a proper noun? Country, river, Delhi. Delhi.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.